What's up everyone, welcome to the 20th PHP tutorial. In this tutorial I'm just going to be telling you guys how to add a date to your PHP scripts. It's a real easy tutorial, so follow along. Now what the date function does is add a date to your website or script, and all you need for the date function is the word date and some parameters like that. It's a built-in function, so you don't need to program anything yourself. Now there are three things that you use in the date function. The first is D, a lowercase d, and that stands for the date of the month. The next is the letter M, and this stands for the month, 1 to 12. It's going to show up in numbers. And next is a capital Y, and this is going to display the year. And you can format these letters any way you want. So for example, if we had echo date, which just means echo the function date, output it on the screen, what we're going to want to do is format this in any combination we want. So say we wanted month, day, year, and enclose it in strings because it's going to be a string. This is going to show the month, the date, and the current year. So let's save this and refresh it, and as you see, it's 7/20/2008. And let's say you wanted to change this up and you didn't want to use these slashes. You can format this any way. You can put the date, the day, and then the month, and you could also use periods or dots and save it. As you can see, 20/7/2008, and you can also use something like minus signs and anything you want really, and that's how you can format it using the day, the month, and the year. And of course you can use just the day, just the month, and just the year. You don't have to use all of them. But that's how you use the date function. It's a built-in function in PHP. So study that. This was a real easy tutorial, and I hope you watch the rest of my videos. Thanks.